Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to describe an IELTS Writing Task 1 map question in a simple and effective way. This task compares to maps showing the changes in road access to a city hospital between 2007 and 2010. I will explain the structure step by step so that you can easily understand how to write a high-scoring answer. The maps show how the area around the city hospital changed over time. You need to compare the two maps and describe the major developments clearly. In this type of IELTS Task 1 question, your goal is to explain the differences between the past and present layout. Start by paraphrasing the question. You simply explain what the maps illustrate. Example: the two maps illustrate the changes in road access to the city hospital between 2007 and 2010. This is one of the most important parts. Write a general summary of the biggest changes without too many details. For this map, the overview includes major road redesign, construction of roundabouts, relocation of bus stops, changes in car parking areas. The overview helps the examiner quickly understand the main developments. Body paragraph 1, road and transport changes. Describe the changes related to roads and transport. Mention hospital road redesign, addition of 2 roundabouts, bus stops replaced by a bus station, new transport access routes. Try to compare old and new positions clearly. Body paragraph 2, car park changes. Explain parking area developments. Mention old shared car park in 2007. Separate staff and public parking in 2010. New location of the public car park. Always compare locations carefully using words like originally, by 2010, relocated, constructed, remained. Useful vocabulary for map questions. Underwent significant development. Relocated, constructed, accessible via. Situated to the east, west, redesigned. Intersection, junction. These words can help improve your IELTS vocabulary score. So, this is the easiest structure to write a map comparison answer in IELTS Writing Task 1. If you follow this format: introduction, overview, body paragraph 1, and body paragraph 2, your answer will become clear, organized, and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more IELTS Writing Task 1 lessons, speaking tips, and vocabulary improvement videos. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.